guys, in today's video I will replace these stock ones for these custom ones. Okay, this is the stock one. As you can see, that's how it blinks on 3 series. And this is the custom one that I'm gonna show you how to install. They come in 2 colors. One is clear one like this, and the other one's kind of tinted. Okay, so this is how they look in this kind of small box. They also have some instructions for probably installing for a different vehicle, like some other BMW, but mine fits perfectly. The only problem I had is these are kind of separated, so you have to bring them closer to the middle, and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so as you can see on this one, there's like this metal thing like that. At first I thought you gotta push on it in order to remove it, but no. This is the easiest way. You just grab it like that and you pull it to the back, and you release the front, and then you simply just pull it out like that. So, and the good thing I'm replacing them is because the seal is already bad over here, so maybe leaking on the inside. So what I'm gonna do right now is get a rug and wipe out the dirt around it. I also got them from eBay. So they were like 15-16 bucks, but they definitely give you some good look. So to disconnect it, you just press like this and pull this out. Same thing, but on this new one, if you were to insert it, and as you can see, there's only one way to insert it. It's because there's like this mechanism. So if you were to insert just this one like that, it would not go in. See, like I said, you have to adjust these. Just bring them closer. At first I was gonna exchange them, like, why is it not fitting, you know? But then once I brought them closer, they actually fit. Don't push too hard. Just, you know, make sure it fits. Okay, this thing goes right there, where the spot is. I brought them too close, so they don't fit either. They're too close. To get them in. Separate them even more. It's hard to get them in, yeah. That's the only bad part. But I've already done on the other side too. maybe I should tilt them down because they're kind of facing up. Maybe that's the reason. Cannot install it. Okay. Come on. Yep. And finally I got it in. So you can't really get them right, I guess. So you have to adjust them yourself. And to install it, I'm gonna grab it like this, put this metal thing against this fender here. Don't put it like inside there. Don't put it inside, but against the fender, and simply press against and push in and let it go. And that's how you replace them. Now let's go ahead and test it if it works or not. And I really like the design, how it blinks, you know, like from side to side. Because there are some other ones that just blink like once, you know, but there's other ones like mine that goes like from side to side, which is cool. Okay, and as you can see, it works just fine. Works just fine. Very nice, very nice. I thought this would be like chrome around it. It would be more cool if it was like chrome, but it looks kind of black, but it's alright. So there's only two kinds, the tinted one and the clear one like I have. I didn't want to get a tinted one because my headlights are not tinted and stuff like that, and my rear ones are original too, so very nice. Okay, so guys, this video was helpful. Let's give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.